Good afternoon, community. Jill here with North Texas Vegetable Gardening, Canning Recipes, a little bit of everything. We got a little bit of rain this morning, and it was nice and cool, and now we're about 82 degrees, but it's very humid, so it feels quite warm. So I want to introduce you to something, that we got for Greg. So you all know that about a couple of months ago, I got me a electric vehicle, an electric bike, and now we've picked up one for Greg. This is the MoonCool TK1. And guys, this is pretty heavy duty. You can tell just by looking at it that it's pretty rugged, and we wanted to give it a thorough review. So I've been using it now for about a month, and Greg's been using it, and even my little grandson. And I wanted to go over some of the things with you. So you can tell that the tires on here are quite thick and quite knobby. So we've been using this. The MoonCool TK1 has a little bit narrower wheelbase, you'll see here, and it has blinkers and it has taillights, which I'm going to show you here in just a minute. And then it has something to put your drink in, and then it has this basket, and it has a great headlight. And the handlebars are easily adjustable here, and the seat is easily adjustable here, and it has a removable battery, or you can leave it on to charge. We remove it because we're here in Texas and it's really, really hot. And this bike does fold up to fit in a smaller car, maybe your SUV or your pickup truck. But yeah, so we have tested this. We have driven it on the back acre, and I'm going to show you that we hauled some cantaloupes. So the capacity is a little over 300 pounds, and the battery life is quite extended. So we charged this over a month ago, and we've not had to charge it yet. And you'll get about 60 miles on this on a charge. And the difference between this one and some of the other ones is it has many gears, but it's an automatic. So it has a pedal assist, and you can set it here. So to turn it on, you're going to hold your M down, and it kicks on. And then this is your assist modes, and it has 5. And so if you start out at the low end, it will let you do quite a bit of the pedaling, but it kicks in pretty quick, guys. And you can see, again, we charged it over a month ago, and we're just now here. So we've probably used maybe 1 to 2 bars on the power. So this is your front brake, this is your back brake, this is your horn, and these are your blinkers, and I'm going to show you those right now. I'm an early riser, and so having tail lights is going to be quite beneficial for me. I won't ride at dark, guys, but I'll ride maybe at the early morning hours when the sun's coming up. And you can see that the headlight is quite bright, and it's adjustable. It gives you a pretty good view of what's in front of you, and you can see Miss Bear's just like, what is going on? And there is my right blinker, and here is my left blinker. So the good thing about this is if you live in an RV village, this is going to be legal for you, whereas maybe golf carts are not. And so you're going to be able to drive through your RV village, or if you're camping, or if you guys are traveling in your RV, this is going to be a great addition. So putting it together was not near as difficult as we thought. Greg was able to put it together within about an hour and a half. And you can see again, we're checking out the wheels and the seat. It came pretty much assembled, and Greg just had to add certain things to it. And it does fold up again if you wanted it to work in back of your truck or your SUV. So this is Greg riding it down the road, and you can tell it's very smooth. And here is my grandson riding it in the backyard. We wanted to check it out and see how it did with the lights and the blinkers. Turn around, go back out that way so I can see the tail lights. Oh yeah. We find it quite easy to drive through the back acre hauling some of our cantaloupes. All right, go. Just go up to that second mailbox. Stay, get to the left. All right, we're gonna turn around. There you go, got a blinker. You turned your blinker on, good job. Wait. Your little toot. Picking up some of these electric bikes we think is a great idea. Number one, it helps us around the farm, but you never know when we might need to use them in an emergency. But we're going to say that that's not going to happen. But anyway, so using this on the farm along with our other one is going to be very beneficial as we're trying to haul. And I think that Greg can probably hook up one of our carts to the back of it, and it pulls quite a bit of weight. And again, with these heavy duty tires on the bottom, it's going to give us quite a bit of traction, especially on that back acre. It comes with some good front shocks, and it comes with a drink holder, and you can take a good look at the gears back here. And again, this is an automatic, so you don't have to shift any gears yourself. It will do it for you depending on the setting that you put it on, whether it's 1 through 5. But all in all, guys, this is a very heavy duty, well built electric trike, and I think that we're going to put this to use. We already have put it to use quite often here, and we are enjoying it. And the little doggies that live down the road, Greg uses this to go feed them. We're able to put the food back here and their water. Now this basket is not meant to hold a lot of weight, but it'll hold a little bit. But this back basket can hold quite a bit of weight, and again, the weight is probably a little over 300 pounds. The seat is fully adjustable, and the handlebars are fully adjustable for your height, for your weight, for whatever it is that you need. So this is how you increase your speed. The brakes are quite smooth. Everything runs wonderfully on this MoonCool TK1. It's got a very nice seat. But yeah, we are really enjoying this, and it's giving us some good exercise, but it's helping around the farm as well. If you have an electric bike, you want to make sure and not leave it out in the sun. You don't want to leave the battery out, so we do take it off and we do charge it inside. However, if you're in a more mild climate, you can charge it outside, but we choose to go ahead and bring it in. And the way that you have to charge the battery is on this one, you have to take the seat out and undo the battery. It does have a key to it that locks it up, and then you just take it in and charge it. But again, we've not had to charge it for a month. Here's another view of it. You can see we've already ridden it, and we have tested it out thoroughly. So if you have a farm, or if you're RVers and travelers, this is an excellent addition to your farm or your traveling, because it is street legal. Whereas sometimes golf carts are not. So you want to keep that in mind. It does have a headlight, it has tail lights, it has blinkers, it has a horn. And man, we have put this thing to a test. We wanted to go ahead and give it a thorough review before we put it up. And so we've been riding this and testing it out for close to a month. Wanted to give you guys an update. I'm going to go ahead and put the link down below. I highly encourage those that are looking for an electric bicycle to really check out this MoonCool TK1. We really love it. It is heavy duty, and we will be using this like crazy. So look more for our videos as we're using it. But hope you guys are having a great Sunday. Love you all, and we'll see you soon.